I beg every man with the outside, I beg make you get knowledge. I take God beg you because some of them just did that something never happen for your life because you never get knowledge. Hypothesis, I take concern government. My brother. Anyway, now welcome back. Just drop down and make everybody for your laugh more before we continue with the rest of the show. All right. So right now, before we go on that break just now, we've been talking about 5 points there. We don't first give on how you go take rock more for side from friend zone level, enter into more serious relationship with this particular person we don't the eyes since, or maybe don't they get interest for relationship wise. All right. And we'll continue now with the number 6 and go reach number 10. All right. So number 6 now. Sometimes you could also say, man, the idea, like I talked earlier, now to create curiosity for the girl, man. The more curiosity get there about you, the more her interest for you go increase. Okay. The less curious she be, or the less you want to know about you, or the less you put yourself inside friend zone by yourself, the more you go sit down for that friend zone level. Right. Now, which brings me to my point number 6. Many times when, maybe you just mess up somehow along the whole thing, maybe you want to get the gist, you can't go miss yarn, or you're supposed to do something for the girl, you can't do something. Not they jump, they apologize. Okay. Sometimes when you don't form that apology, you don't enter say, okay, any small thing, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You get you understand, you could always apologize for everything. Time you can't reach your apology, no, can't make sense again. And once you don't reach that side for girl head, you know go make sense again. You understand? Never apologize for what you feel it's like saying sorry for being real. And Lin Wayne talk that one. Never apologize for showing feelings when you do so. You apologize for the truth. Anyway, last, on top of this whole level, replace your apologies now with something like, don't worry, I know I don't mess up, but I go make them up to you. You understand? Next time I go do them better, I go do them right. You get me now? Or when you do something like I go make up to you, ladies, they like some kind of promise. They like that mysterious thing of saying, what did this guy want to do? What he want to do next? What he want? This one when you thought saying go make him up to me, what he want to do? If he be saying no one do anything. Yeah. But that lyric way don't drop already. Just make on the wait. Curiosity don't. She don't they waste one kind. So not the job they apologize every time. Any small thing I'm sorry. Any small thing I'm sorry. I'm sorry no can't be like anything again. Okay. So replace them with stuff like I'll make it up to you. I know say I gawk. I know say I mess up. But no worry. I got you. I go correct him. I'll correct him. But that I'm sorry. You go drop your level at a particular point, okay? That don't mean say some kind of thing where you go do, you know go say sorry, I know they talk. No mean say because some people gonna say, I'm gonna say make I not apologize. My brother, they'll take kick you come out. So you go balance them. Never say too many I'm sorries. Alright. So point number 7 right now. Point number 7. You see, sometimes, like I talked when we start the whole thing, now we take our hand, make ourselves not important to women as men. Sometimes, even ladies self, sometimes some women they take their own hand, not the important again to man. You get? Sometimes no always they too prim and proper sometimes. Sometimes if you they too prim and proper, you go nothing exciting go there about you again. Nothing adventurous go there about you again. Sometimes no they take permission. Sometimes, for example, you want to collect the girl number. Sometimes they'll tell you, it's okay, be a gentleman. I don't find out, say that being a gentleman thing. Not the two work. It's not the two work. That be a gentleman thing. It's not the two work. Sometimes just, you not going to being rude. You understand? But be like person will be go-getter. If you get, don't talk. And maybe not just meet for the first time. I just use this example. Instead of saying, can I have your number? Make I not use that one. Now they talk about people don't already friend zone. You understand? For example, we say, okay, can I get permission to peck you? Can I peck you? Sometimes when I hear they talk, don't give a you don't talk, say, what? You don't walk up. You just throw. The guy gonna look like he just oh my God, what did he just do? Oh my God. So no, they a bit mysterious. You get now maybe just feel your whole hand one day, just form kissing, kiss the hand, or one kind of thing. Not they always put yourself in that before you do everything, you must take permission level. Some things they you go take permission, quite alright, but some other times, just surprise the girl with some kind of move. She said she get all shock. That way, you don't dey creep, come up for friend zone level. You understand? Now tiptoe, you don't dey move. You don't dey enter on that level. Because you can't carry her to go for house, say, go and tell her friends. Can you imagine what Jolly did? Oh my God, this guy is crazy. Once you don't enter that level, forget. You don't dey win things. Okay? So, not every time you go to form, you know, I'm a proper guy, come and take permission before you even breathe near the girl, you take permission. Can I breathe? Hello. All right, so point number 8 right now, which brings me to this particular thing where we just watch just now. Every babe like intelligent guy. You understand? Women, they like men when they're intelligent, you know. And even if she not intelligent, at least they like men when they're intelligent, you know. Get something to talk, you know. Try to read. You will be guy now they talk of saying so that when you get the form yarn sometimes, you know, not be just about NEPA now they talk about how lizard take crossroad, trailer dodge and be how Okada take jam trailer, the trailer spoil. Sometimes give me some other gist where when they get look, you say no, this guy get brain. She can't imagine and be like to draw fantasy for her head. You're gonna say, wow, this guy was my guy. Wow, imagine if Shinedu was my guy, you know. Seriously, he's very intelligent. Not be every man did that level. See the short clip we just played just now. Why do you think most people are impotent? The person say impotent. The government, I take concern government for crying out loud. If you be like those guys that will just play just now. Tell me how you go take cash chick. Tell me. Yeah? So you need to read. That's my number 8 point. Read. Get more knowledge. Know things about things the way they happen, where the girl self you don't even understand. You understand me now? To read more, read and read. Get knowledge. Women they trip for man, we get brain. Okay? So before you can go to the next level, to jump out of that friend zone level, you need to bring something on the table. Aside from the regular things which she feel they get from all her friends. And sometimes that's in her knowledge. Now man we get brain, man we get sense. Alright? And that one also linked to my 9th point, the number 9 point. You get sometimes now if you just a gist about some particular thing and she just drop one thing and you never everybody way there around they not fit get the, you know, they not fit get the answer to the question. Google day. No be just the reason why you get all these smartphones, not be just to the form chatting. You feel quickly, if you're asking for one big thing where nobody around, maybe not be 5 way there around, 5 people, maybe the remaining are guys too, and she just drop one thing, everybody can say they don't know. If you just sharply Google the thing, drop and just look to get what is the meaning of impotence. You know, and everybody talks say impotence. Actually, you don't sharply Google the thing. Download the thing for your head bounce. Okay, impotence now when person not fit produce speaking one thing. But before you don't form quiet in the first place, they form like say they chat something. Then say your drop and give the girl. You know, actually impotence. You know, oh for her mind. Savior, yeah, my hope. Yeah, but that guy say, man, this guy is intelligent. All these other guys, all of you are lodo. Oh Lord, and you say girls like a castle kind of people. The young group of Nigeria, bunch of Olodo guys. He is very intelligent. All right, so learn to 8 and 9. They join for the same level. Get more knowledge, know more things, know what thing they happen. You understand? Just know what's up, what thing they happen for the whole. Some girls like politics. Some girls like politics.
Very, very well.
They love politics. You understand? That means if you be guy not to like politics, you got to go to learn politics. So that when I feel just on another level aside from the regular this one that they drop since. Alright? So now we bring some to my last and final points. This one they work weller. They work weller. The concept of putting jealousy for the girl mind. Every woman gets that thing. Jealousy. You understand? Some they do agidi, say no day. So you say, no, I cannot be jealous. You know how many girls sometimes say they never be jealous? Okay, with last, so they call some kind of things. But I saying, they don't tell them. And some, now for their house, they go, they show the pain. As man now, you want to make this girl come out you from friend zone level, enter more serious level. You say, no can just be around her every time.
They form availability.
They form I can be your friend. Now then they spoil everything. Some days, just there with some other chicks, where the girl will feel they see you. And maybe the girl will not to get some kind of things. Maybe her future not to day. Maybe she, maybe she don't get. For example, if she know they're very, very busty, make her use that example. If she know they're busty, you can hang around with chicks that way they busty. Women, that's in the they feel to tell you, they can't go and go to look themselves. Why? This Nedu. You understand? So inversely, you don't pass message. You get, and only maybe she gonna ask you one day. She all call through, just ask you. So who are those girls to you? I know the date too. I'm not supposed to be, but then you don't create that concept of jealousy for the girl mind already. She will be forced again, like I talked earlier, and to create to make the girl inquisitive, to create curiosity for the girl mind. Once you feel succeed to make girl they check upon you like that, you don't cash out. You understand me now? So this is the night father that they drop some kind things given now. You get me now? The act of jealousy. But don't say you go to duo. Say the girl open, just see you for a bedroom. I'm not talking.
They turn up.
They turn up. The form say,
you will be jealous today.
No. That is even wrong on every level. All right? I know go ever talk to any person go the form la love you before. But just deal with some other things. They form laughter. They form gist. They form. If you call the girl and you call them, say, hello Jennifer, come. She will come. Let me introduce you to my friends. And also fellow they carry, maybe they carry Bobby, they're just proud anyhow. Say, how are you, Jenny? Okay, so back to the gist. You understand? That way, they only get she want to feel left out somehow. When they make and they feel left out, that esteem thing when they worry some girls, they can't come out. And that way, don't they break up. You understand? Before you know it in the apple, once or twice or 3 times, the girl don't they warm up to you somehow. Before she know it in, love don't they catch her. Once you don't succeed with this 10th point, love don't the cash you get. That's way, my brother. You don't cash it. You don't jump from friend zone, enter lover zone. All right? So, I hope so with all these points, I don't give you like this. 1, 2, or 3 could be work for you. Try it out. And I wish you the best of luck inside your attempt to leave friend zoning level to enter into a lover zone. Hello?
Hi.
So, I don't this everything give you, and I hope so with these 3 points of our own, you are blessed. You are blessed. Oh, the first point I say, keep your phone calls short. No, they talk the whole world or talk phone call. Keep your phone calls short. Create curiosity for the girl mind. Point number 2, never tell the girl, say, they do anything. Always be busy, one kind. If she call you, what are you doing? Say, I'm busy doing something, or I just finished one thing, or I want to do something right now. But sound busy to the girl every time. Point number 3, if she give you all those short abbreviation things, point number 3 and point number 4, now together they be. All those keep your messages short, abbreviations. If they give you abbreviation, knock out that abbreviation. You said no, the form I can come and talk the whole word. When they give you one word, they can't leave all the work for you. All right. So point number 5, delay your replies. Okay? If they send you a message, don't send immediately every time. Sometimes just wait small. Give them small time before you go reply. That's where the girl will be inquisitive. Curiosity will come rise for the girl mind for your matter. Before you know it, love don't they catch up. You get me now? Point number 6, not the jump enter apology every time. Every small thing you do, you say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, no, can't make sense. Sometimes tell and say, man, don't worry, I'm going to make it up to you. And that make it up to you, the girl can't be curious again. Say, what this guy want to do? Before you know it, love don't they catch you, babe. All right, so number 8, read. Number 8 and number 9. Read, get more knowledge. Use your Google, you understand? Sound more intelligent than the average guy, okay? Find out what you get like to discuss about. Learn more about that thing. Knock the gist before ground. That's what concern women, though. That's what concern women.
Yeah, very well.
On the other side, to women, if you say this particular guy, you want me the guy get your attention. You understand? Find out what the guy like. Start to study about that thing. And not they chook the gist once on the gist. The guy said go to shock, say, wow, oh, you know more about football. Now, wow, okay, who be the player for so, please? You can't give him the gist. The guy will say, oh, this guy. That way, you take yourself above average from the normal girl. So, you go for guys and girls too. And my final point, the act of jealousy. That one said they work for girls, so it can make man jealous here. Oh, no. It can make man jealous. You say that was the bad person. You say men would they do, forget. Men jealous, jealousy would they want. But they use, but the act of jealousy, that one always work. The concept of jealousy. They hang around some other guys. Make the guy, they look you. You can tell the guy, the guy, before you know it, he can come out straight, come tell you, say, baby, please, now, why you? But the other way too, as a guy, if you don't hang with other chicks, maybe get looking from one corner, but no overdo. All right. So now the points with that, how to take jump from friend zone, enter inside lover zone. I wish you the best of luck. Anybody where this one affects in any way, you understand? Maybe you don't try them before, or you want to try them, but this one will help you to try. Let me know on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. It is under here at W Late Night Show. Reach for there. Just knock your own gist. I want to hear your comments this night. I want to hear your own comment this night. Let me know how this thing take tutorial you. All right. So when they come back right now with some kind of musical videos back to back on the Friday thing. All right. So easy bits. Carry on, come out. They come back. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.